Finally, after months of leaks and speculation, the DJI Neo 2 has officially landed. Launched on October 30th, 2025, in China, this compact FPV drone is built for vloggers and creators who want to capture smooth, hands-free aerial shots without the bulk of a professional drone setup. Its release marks a new era for DJI's smaller drone lineup, a device that blends portability, intelligence, and cinematic power into one ultra-compact body. While Asia gets the first taste, Europe will see its debut on November 13, 2025, with pre-orders and shipping starting shortly after. Unfortunately, US customers will have to wait a little longer due to FCC restrictions and the looming DJI import ban, with the embargo expected to lift in early 2026. Insider Jasper Ellen shared a first look at the Neo 2 on X, revealing an elegant, modern drone design sitting neatly on a patch of grass. The close-up image showed its minimalistic control buttons, smart ventilation grills for better cooling, and durable built-in propeller guards, making it ideal for both beginners and indoor flying. Despite its small size, DJI didn't compromise on camera power. The Neo 2 is equipped with a large 1.3-inch sensor that captures stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second in 10-bit HDR with D-Log support, offering beautiful cinematic tones and excellent dynamic range. The footage is sharp, vibrant, and detailed even in low light, giving content creators a huge upgrade over earlier models. The redesigned 1600 mAh top-mounted battery provides up to 19 minutes of flight, with a two-way USB-C charging hub that supports 18W fast charging and doubles as a power bank. It's a small but thoughtful touch that creators will appreciate on the go. According to early hands-on impressions, the Neo 2's built-in display is bright and clear, making it easy to navigate settings or monitor flight stats even under direct sunlight. DJI has clearly refined the design for convenience and reliability. When it comes to buying options, DJI offers 3 bundles. The basic Fly Solo package, priced at $259, includes the drone, 1 battery, propellers, a gimbal protector, screwdriver, and cables, perfect for beginners. The Fly More combo at $429 adds the Can 3 controller, 2 additional batteries, a charging hub, and extra accessories for extended flying. Finally, the Motion Fly More combo, at $599, brings in the immersive FPV experience with DJI Goggles 3 and the RC Motion 3 controller, a dream setup for those who want cinematic. Despite its sub-250 grams weight, the Neo 2 feels sturdy and agile in the air. DJI also improved flight stability and control precision, introducing smarter gesture recognition, palm takeoff, and auto-tracking that follows subjects effortlessly. It's a drone designed for creators who don't want to fuss with settings, just launch, shoot, and share. Extended battery life pushes flight times close to 25 minutes, giving pilots more room to frame shots, explore, or vlog from above. Whether you're filming breathtaking landscapes, social media reels, or travel montages, the Neo 2 adapts smoothly to every creative situation. But that's not all. DJI is also gearing up to shake the action camera market again with the upcoming Osmo Action 6. Recently leaked footage shows the camera mounted on a motorcycle handlebar, teasing a rugged, adventure-ready design. This next-generation action cam reportedly features a 1.1-inch CMOS sensor with a variable f/.02 to f/4.0 aperture, allowing users to adapt effortlessly to bright or low-light conditions without needing ND filters. Early testers say it delivers crisp, cinematic results even in challenging environments. Aesthetically, DJI has refined the front layout of the Action 6. The pill-shaped sensor cutout below the screen is gone, replaced by a sleeker, squared-off design that looks more modern. The color temperature sensor, once hidden inside the O of the Action logo, now appears as a discrete white square, possibly joined by a new ambient light sensor or mic hole for smarter brightness control. These subtle design tweaks show DJI's commitment to evolution, not revolution. Every change serves a clear purpose. The Osmo Action 6 isn't just about looks, though. Rumors point to massive improvements in image quality, low-light performance, and stabilization. The adjustable aperture opens up creative possibilities, giving shooters real control over depth of field and exposure. Pair that with the rumored 4-hour battery life, and DJI could be setting a new standard for endurance in action cams. Pricing is expected to start around $329, with higher-tier bundles reaching up to $579, a surprisingly aggressive move that could undercut GoPro and Insta360. As for performance, comparisons between the DJI Action 6 and the Action 5 Pro are already generating excitement. The Action 5 Pro, with its 1.3-inch sensor and 4MP stills, already delivers excellent color and dynamic range. However, the Action 6's larger 1-inch sensor could dramatically outperform it in low light and potentially even introduce 8K recording. Imagine capturing your next mountain bike ride or skydiving jump in ultra-high resolution with cinematic clarity. If these leaks hold true, the Action 6 could redefine what's possible in a camera this small. Stabilization also sees a major upgrade. The Action 5 Pro impressed users with 4K 120 FPS recording and horizon steady stabilization, keeping footage silky smooth even during intense motion. Now, DJI plans to push that further with Rocksteady 4.0 and AI-powered 360 horizon steady, ensuring every shot stays perfectly level no matter how extreme the action gets. Whether you're skiing, surfing, or running, your footage will remain cinematic and stable. DJI's 2025 lineup shows that the company is firing on all cylinders. Between the compact Neo 2 drone and the powerful Action 6 camera, it's clear DJI wants to dominate both the air and the ground. Each product reflects the brand's evolving design language: sleek, intelligent, and creator-focused. For vloggers, travelers, and filmmakers, this might just be the most exciting year yet for DJI fans. So if you're ready to elevate your content, keep an eye on the Neo 2 and the Osmo Action 6, because the future of creative gear is flying, filming, and recording better than ever.